First of all, a very good morning, all of you. Today, I will deliver the lecture on physical significance of psi and psi square of basic part 3 in unit 1 as quantum mechanics. Yesterday we were discussing about the various that is of its subcontents T1 property of psi and that is of T2 physical significance of psi and psi square, and next one that is of third one and that is of important postulate of quantum mechanics. Today I will deliver today on that is of physical significance of psi and psi square. Let us repeat. Today is summarized form. What have we discussed, we delivered yesterday here. In regarding of physical significance of that is of psi and psi square here, let us repeat once again. It shows the Schrodinger wave equation, second quadratic equation here. On solving it gives so many values including imaginary infinite values here, and according to the quantum mechanics will accept those values of psi which are measurable quantity, which actually have been measured for a certain value of energy. Max Born also defined a new quantity when that is of psi is multiplied with the value of psi to give a next value of that is of psi square, psi to give the value of amplitude here, valency shell. Max Born 1926 is also defined. The same is multiplied to that is of same value of psi to give the next quantity of psi square. Psi square is known as that is of probable density. Psi to denote to define as valency shell as an amplitude. Psi square to define as that is of a probable density for finding out of the electron to give the next symbol psi square. I mean to say probable density is symbolized by that is of psi square here. Next one postulate. We were in our previous lecture we were deriving here that is a for probability for finding out between the shifting of any particle x to that is of x plus dx. One can write as px dx is equals to psi star that is of dx square. Here that is in radial form one can write down that is of prt is equals to that is of psi star that is of d torque. It is also applicable in the integrated form between the ranging of minus infinite to that is of plus infinite. The probability of the particle one can express as in the following form: px dx is equals to minus infinite to plus infinite psi star that is of d torque is equals to dx dy that is of dz. D torque denote here the value to calculate the probability for finding out the electron in infinitesimally that is of region d torque in x, y and that is of z direction, infinitesimal shifting in that is of x direction, infinitesimal in y direction as an ordinate and that is of infinitesimal in that is of z direction here. Next postulate we proceed. This contents is that of you know that in midpoint in mid center of any atomic species here valency shell electron is moving is surrounded in valency shell to have that is of excess density electron density cloud around the midpoint that is of a center point here going away the value of psi square automatically that is of decreases here. Graphical representation for quantum mechanics show here on going away from the radii of the atomic species here the value of probability for finding out psi square that is of decreases here. I mean that is of midpoint surrounding area of electron cloud is very higher. On going away density of the electron becomes very that is of low, or in other words we can say density of the charged particle decreases here. It has been shown by that is of diagram 6th and that is of 7th. Now I will deliver today very important, amazing, specific topic, that is of operator. Operator is such important changing device which plays the important role for the conversion of one physical quantity to that is of another one physical quantity is here. Since we know that electronic species have various its existence, its positions, its that is of optical activities by means of electric field and magnetic field here. So it becomes essential to involve the operator also, the electronic species in that is of atoms, in that is of in electronic species here. What does it play its contribution? In that is of valence shell, in subshell, in orbitals, in orbits. What does the position of electronic shell to be considered in electronic species here? For this point of view, the mathematical term that is of here that is of operator is that is of used here. First of all, we define operator, that is the chosen or selected a device which change when is operated to that is of any function to produce that is of a next function, functions to produce next function. Such chosen or selected device is known as that is of operator here. Once again I repeat here, how we define that is of operator. Operator means selected device. When we operate in mathematical formula, when we operate to that is of any first function to produce, to operate any first functions, to convert into that is of next function, that is selected or chosen device is known as that is of operator here. In order to define that is of suppose, I mean to say here that is of any, we have chosen this duster as that is of operator here. Now we operate here on that is of chalk. We consider your first function here. When this selected chosen that is of operator, now we operate on this first function supposed to produce the newly function here. Then it will be the chosen selected device, changing device will be known as that is of a operator here. There are so many kinds of operator, that is of a linear operator, commutative operator, Laplacian operator, Hamiltonian operator. Once again I repeat here, when any selected device, any changing device we apply on any first kinds of the function, after the operation suppose it change this function to the another one function as in the form of lead. So I would like say this selected device or this that is of a chosen device or changing device will be known as that is of operator here. One can explain, I am illustrating, I am giving the example, mathematical example for operators. There are so many kinds of operators, linear operators, that is of here that is of Laplacian operator, that is of Hamiltonian operator. The general expression for operator I am writing here on the blackboard here. Try to understand here. How does it play the important role in that is of quantum mechanics for the conversion of one function to the another one function. Once again I define operator, that is the changing device when is operated to any functions to convert to produce next one function. This changing device is known as that is of operators. So many kinds of operators, linear operators, that is of commutative operators, Laplacian operators, and that is of Hamiltonian operators here. The mathematical derivation one can write of that is of a mathematical formula, that is of suppose here that is of d upon psi denotes that is of here psi denotes any that is of a function here, and d by dx operator d by dx we select that is of operated function as psi is equals to that is of sin x. We select here operated function here, that is of psi is equals to sin x. It is the first kinds of the form here, first kinds of the function here is symbolized here psi. Its value is expressed in the form of sin x here. Now we take the operate by means of differentiation, that is of d by dx to operate on the first kinds of the function, which is that is of just equals to that is of a here sin x here. Automatically after the operation, after the operating power of that is of d upon dx is now converted into that is of cos x. Hence operator that is the important or chosen selected that is of device mathematical, that is of a apparatus, in other words mathematical apparatus equipment which convert one function to the another one function, as I have explained here. Once again try to understand here. The equipment or instrument or the process which convert one function to the another one function is known as that is the operator here. I mean to say I am taking here psi is equals to sin x, that is of any function here. Now operate by means of differentiation, that is of dx. Psi is equals to that is of sin x. On operating of d by dx on that is of sin x is now converted into that is of cos x. Conversion of sin x into that is of cos x, it will produce to us, it will give to us that is of a new function. Conversion of sin x to that is of cos x, it happened due to applying of a mathematical device, mathematical instrument which is called as that is of a operator. I have just delivered to you that there are so many kinds of operator here, linear, commutative. In the series of various operator here, I would like to illustrate some important example which is mainly concerned, which is mainly act to explain the photochemical property of electron in quantum mechanics, that is of Laplacian operator. Laplacian who defined to give as in the Schrodinger wave equation, just delivered to you that is of delta square psi upon delta x square plus that is of delta square psi delta y square here plus delta square delta z square. I am defining here, you know, here we are going to that is of defining here Laplacian operator. It is very specific term, a special operator here to define that is of when any differential is operated to any differential to give any quantity here. Suppose this one del differential, it is also that is of differential. When we apply, you know, here in similar another one example that is of I consider here I am taking same position differentiation as that is of del. First one operator to that is of operator the next function to produce the third one quantum mechanical physical property as del square. This del square is known as that is of Laplacian operator. It was firstly postulated, pointed out by that is of Laplacian here. In Schrodinger wave equation one can write in that is of compact form. Once again I will define Laplacian operator here. Let us consider here first operator on the behalf of this one is just consider del and operated the same as function by considering the same duster, that is del into del, that is of you know here that is of del square here. So it will give to that is of del square here, del square. It is symbolized by that is of del square. In Schrodinger wave equation here, in Schrodinger wave equation here, dear students, this one value in 3D del square psi upon delta x square, this value whole that is of after taking the common of psi, one can write that is of inside this one remove psi, that is of this one value, remove psi taking the common this one value delta upon delta x square, delta square upon delta y square plus delta upon delta z square del square. I am mentioning here this del square is known as that is of a Laplacian operator here. The fundamental distinction, dear students, I would like to tell you, I would like to deliver to you. I am mentioning here that is of two types of the symbol here, this one and that is of this one here. First type of the symbol, first one, and that is of a second one here. This symbol denotes for that is of heating this symbol denotes for heating in organic point of view, and it's that is of square to give the value of Laplacian. So in that is of pointed in upward direction, and that is of flat point in that is of upward direction. Peak point, you know here, pointed point, give the symbol for heating, and the flat point and its square to give the value of Laplacian operator. Laplacian, its infrastructure to mean here. One can write that is of Laplacian form here, Laplacian operator here, in compact form here. Next one, that is of Hamiltonian, that is of operator here. As we assumed here, that is of in Laplacian form, one can write Schrodinger wave equation. Question now becomes arises here. How Schrodinger wave equation can be written in the form of Hamiltonian, that is of operator here, and what does Hamiltonian operator wants to say here? What is the role to contribute to explain the electrochemical or photoelectrical effects, its consideration to explain the electrons? How does it show us the necessarily information by means of electromagnetic wave intensity, wavelength of the particle in various energy level, in that is of various phases here. So we will discuss about that is of Hamiltonian operator, that is of tomorrow. Thank you very much.